Greetings traders out there in trader land. My name's Dez here at Grok Trade. This video is good through Monday, December 1st, 2014. And we're going to take a look here at the markets as a whole. The S&P down 0.7%, the Dow down 0.3%, but here's the kicker. Be watching for this, gang. NASDAQ down 1.3%. Even more devastating here, we have the Russells down 1.6%. So we have both the NASDAQ and Russell's small caps, or those stocks deemed the most risky, leading the charge to the downside. Very bearish signal. Only if the banks confirm that. Sure enough, the banks down 1.8%. Actually, the banks were down far more than any of the other indices. Furthermore, the VIX, the fear indicator, up a staggering 7.2%. Big spike here, confirming today's bearish sell. Check this out. We have gold up 4%. Gang, for gold to be up 4%, that is huge, huge, huge. A huge pop. Silver up 6.4%. Massive, massive spike to the upside. Huge. Here's a disclaimer. I'm holding gold as of today. I'm holding silver as of today. I'm in this. Furthermore, we have crude oil up almost 3%. I'm holding crude oil now. I am in. Push the chips in the middle of the table there. US dollar down 0.5%. Even with the US dollar down 0.5%, you still have the indices dropping even with that support. Very interesting. Transportation index. Check this out. The underlying support for the Dow is not there. It's actually a drag on the Dow, down 2.7%. Utility sector here is a defensive sector, and that's ticking higher. It's in bullish territory. People are starting to go into utilities. Be watching that as a play. Here we are looking at the daily chart, the S&P 500. Here it is. There's the drop. If you were to draw a trend line going from this low up here to this bounce, so we kind of up, we bounce, and then we kind of broke through. That's problematic for the markets. But what I want to show you, this is the important line I want to show you. We have higher high, higher high, higher high. Here's the MACD, lower high. See that? There's your bearish divergence. Last time we got a bearish divergence. I want to show it to you here. We're going higher here, higher high, lower high, drop. Higher high, lower high, drop. So whatever the MACD is doing is what you can expect here. That's what we're watching for. If you look here at the Dow, same thing. We're going higher here, but lower on the MACD. Ouch. We're starting to get down into these EMAs. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Now, NASDAQ sold off today. Boom. I mean, all tech stocks took a hit today. But we do have an area of support coming, and it needs to hold up. I'm telling you, tomorrow's market is going to be a big one. If we take a look here at the Russells was in this rising wedge breakdown, boom, and you got this MACD here, crash. I mean, this is bad, man. Anytime you get two big bloody bars here. So now you got an M for murder. You can see this double top, M for murder, bad news. Now, let's go to the weekly here and take a look at it. Weekly, we up. Now we're starting to pull back. Same thing on the NASDAQ. Up. We smash our head at a resistance point, and look at this. We could be starting to drop here. So it's something to be watching for sure. Quick look here at the banks. This is the weekly chart. You can see that we had this symmetrical triangle. We broke down, we popped out, but now we're coming right back. So we're going into what's called a broadening formation. And I'll show you that broadening formation by drawing these two lines so you can see it. There's your big broadening formation. That's no good. A lot of indecision here in the markets. Look at these lines are going everywhere. VIX. Here's the weekly chart. There's our bounce. Trying to get above these moving averages. If we start to go higher, and we anticipated this, we talked about this hammer and that things could get bullish here for the VIX. That means the market is going to go bearish if that's the case. That's where we're at. Now, let me say this. I've been given a lot of warnings here lately, but the markets, if you go here to a daily chart, here, we've just been going higher and higher and higher and higher. I mean, there's no end to this, right? It's just going to keep going higher. Well, I keep giving these warnings, and I'm going to give another warning, a big time warning. This could be a top here, and we could start dropping. So I got myself hedged big time right now. I did pick up some gold, silver, oil today. I sold off. I had BABA today, big sell-off. It just hurt me today. Just a big crash. I didn't see that coming. Big drop here. I got out of that as as soon as the market opened at 9:30, I sold it. Boom. I'm so happy I did because it continued to sell off here. And Apple, which I hold also, or I do hold. I did not sell this today. It went down here. Things that drop fast tend to pop fast, so we dropped very quickly. We bounced back, but huge volume today. So I did put a trailing stop on this. We'll see if we can pull some money out of this. Now I am in SRTY, 3 times inverse on the Russells. I made a killing off of that. Let me show it to you here. Where is it on my list over here? SRTY. So today, last couple of days, I made some nice money on that. Just boom, and it's a falling wedge now. I mean, here's the inverse. This is a bullish divergence. You can see that here, bullish here, bearish here. So whatever the MACD is doing, expect this to happen. So I see the market's in a lot of trouble right now. I see a lot of downside pressure being pushed to the markets. I see a lot of upside potential here for the bears. So if you are a bear, be licking your chops. There's red meat out there in the markets, and there could be a lot of money to be made here. So be paying attention to what's going on. Furthermore, on big drops here, BABA was down 5%. I already talked about that. GoPro was down almost 6% today. Just a huge drop here. And but we're still within a triangle. Not too bad. As long as it stays within that triangle. LinkedIn was off more than 4%. Another big drop, but that's a bull flag. So I'm not too worried about that. Taser was up almost 3% today. Taser's doing really well. White House came out saying, we think every cop out there should have cameras on their vests, which I don't disagree. Fantastic. Do that. And that will help our Taser stock. So there you have it. Big warning, man, going into the future here. Thank you for being a part. And hope you like this picture-in-picture. Hope this helps out to make it more personable. So that is it. We'll catch you guys later. Oh, you know what? While I'm here, it would probably help me to pimp out my website. If you come to this website, free stuff here, trading videos, free stuff here, taking the 101 course, free stuff here, charting school. What I'm pimping out here is the 201 trading course. This is very basic. If you need something more than basic, go here, take the 201 courses. This is the cat's meow. If you just want help with picking out stocks, do the Stock Picks V newsletter. And mentorship is the cream right there. Everybody wants a trading mentor. We do that very well. We've mentored ourselves with our team over 2,500 people, myself individually over 800 people. So anyway, hope you can team up with us. Do some research on this. Check out our reviews. Take care. Safe trading. We'll catch you guys tomorrow.